We're almost there. In this final clip, I'll summarize what we've learned in this course. This will help you remember and provides additional context. We've started out with what cloud computing is. It is a utility service like electricity, and it provides you with compute power like VMs and app service plans, and with storage like Azure Storage and databases. It is also elastic, as we've seen with scaling up and down and out and in. This optimizes performance and costs. And the cloud provides self-service, which increases your time to market. Maybe most important, things like VMs and app services are not your stuff. Azure manages them for you, so you don't have to worry about performance, security, and availability. Also, we discussed why you should choose Azure out of all the other cloud service providers. Azure is Microsoft's core business. Without Azure, there is no Microsoft. Also, Microsoft has many decades of large-scale security experience, which they've poured into their cloud security. They are literally the best in the game. Tools to work with Azure, like Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, and the Azure Portal, are way better than competitive tools. You can disagree with me on this, of course. Just go try out some of the other tools and then let me know what you think. And Azure is top of the class in hybrid computing. It provides many services to enable hybrid connections and even has a line of hardware devices to be used on their own or plug into your data center. And as we've seen, Azure has so many services. For anything you need in your solution, Azure has something to help you with. You've seen examples of Azure Functions and Logic apps that not only run things, but add another level of automation convenience that would be difficult to create yourself. A way of thinking about the services in Azure, or in any cloud really, is by categorizing them from lots of control and responsibility to Azure doing the heavy lifting for you. Remember, if you want a lot of control, you are responsible for lots of things, which takes away from your ability to work on business value. So, the key message is Azure does the heavy lifting for you, with all of its services and features, so that you can focus on providing value to your business. Because that's what you're trying to do, right? Alright, you've made it. You've taken your first steps into the world of cloud computing and Microsoft Azure. And now you can graduate to become a Microsoft Azure Master by taking the next courses. Explore azureberry.com for more courses about Microsoft Azure and software development. Thank you very much for taking the time to take this course and to improve yourself. That's always worth the time, isn't it? See you in the next course.